thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the euro-dollar, recent developments and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Javier in our trading room.
The euro gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
Thank you, Javier, for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida left on a tour of Europe and North America, with security-focused talks on the agenda after his nation's biggest defense policy overhaul in decades. Officials with the US Department of Justice and the SEC are examining transfers between Digital Currency Group and the conglomerate's Genesis subsidiary. The prosecutors with the DOJ have requested interviews and documents from TCG and Genesis, while the SEC appears to be in a similarly early stage of its own inquiry. Hundreds of Tesla owners gathered at the automaker's showrooms and distribution centers in China over the weekend, demanding rebates and credit. After sudden price cuts, they said meant they had overpaid for electric cars they bought earlier.
Thank you, Javier. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Dutch Consumer Price Index will be released at 05:30 GMT. The UK's 10Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT. Japan's JP Foreign Reserves at 23:50 GMT. The US Redbook Index will be released at 13:55 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT. Finland's industrial output at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in for the latest news and events from the financial markets.